Hi! In front of me is FOSSIBOT F101 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. You need to begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove area to show up. When it does, you need to drag your search bar on top of it. Wait until it turns see-through and then let go. As you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. In order to restore it, hold your device's screen, select widgets, click on the search bar over here and type in Google. Tap on Google section, hold the available search bar and place it wherever you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!